What's up everybody, it's your boy AB. Welcome to the channel guys, and welcome to another Modern Warfare 2 video. Today I kind of wanted to check something out. I've been seeing a lot of rumors in regards to camo grinding. Right now everyone's trying to figure out the meta for grinding camos. I do have two gold camos. I have one for the M4 and then I have one for the TAC 5.6. They did take a couple hours of grinding. I did them all through multiplayer, but I've been seeing online that there is I don't know if it's a bug or a glitch or if it was meant to be this way. I doubt that it's supposed to be that way. But if you hop into an invasion match and you get into a tank, apparently any kills that you get with the tank are going to count towards your weapon progress. So right now I have the Cast-Off 7.62. This is the next AR that I want to grind the camo for. So I'm going to go to Gunsmith. As you can see, I only have it at level 2. I think I accidentally killed somebody with it or off the ground or something like that. But I only have one attachment for it. Everything else is locked. I have the muzzle and that's it. So you have to get 50 kills with the Cast-Off for the first camo. And so far I got 5. So I have to complete these 4 challenges in order to get the gold camo. And I wanted to test that theory or that rumor that getting kills with the tank actually counts towards your weapon. So we're going to try that out. I'm making a mad dash for that tank. I got the gunner seat. No. Yes. No. Yes. Boom, that's a hit. Drill charge. Uh-oh. Disable the vehicle. That thing is gonna blow. Yo, let's go, boys. Not another drill charge. Damn it. Fuck. What the? Don't blow up my tank. 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 Let's go. We need to get some kills. Let's get some. Okay, they don't know about us. They don't know about us. They don't know about us. Scrap assist. There you go. I got a kill. Not another drill charge. God damn. The drill charge is very effective. Let's go. Let's go find some people to kill. Plus 100. Why are all the... There they go. They all flip. That was weird. There you go. Plus 100. So we've gotten some, like, a couple solid confirmed kills. And if that doesn't level up the Cast-Off, then this myth has been busted. I don't think we'll be able to get in there. Drill charge. Not again. Oh, what happened? Let's go. Oh, we're getting a bunch now. These goddamn Let's go. Oh, this is the light tank. Well, let's see if it's any different with the light tank. Ooh, stealth bomber. Holy hell. Yo, that is sick. Got it. Got another one. No. Oh my god, dude. The drill charges. They're OP. They're OP against vehicles, man. We took an L. Well, let's see if any of that gave us any kind of weapon XP. I didn't see anything on the screen. No alert, no badge, no points, nothing for the Cast-Off. But let's see. Let's see what happens. 0 XP. Bro, what? Wait a minute. Wait. Look, confirmed. Yo, we actually got weapon XP. Hold on a second. I know my audio kind of clipped there, but yo, boys, I think this may be confirmed. I never fired the Cast-Off. I did not fire this gun one time the entire time that I was recording, and it actually leveled up from level 2 to level 3, and now I have the option for a barrel. Yo, I thought this may have been like some kind of weird fluke that some people encountered, but it works. It shouldn't work. I never fired the cast-off, not one time. I used the tank, I used the infantry tank, I used the light tank. That is freaking bananas. It actually works, but somehow I'm level 3. Somehow the gun got to level 3. Hey, you know what? It's crazy, but I guess the myth is true. At least for now. It hasn't been patched. It looks like it works. Guys, if you guys want to try this out for yourselves, go for it. It looks like it still works. It shouldn't work. That is freaking crazy. Tell me if you guys were impressed by this or not. Does it make sense to use it? Is it an effective way to collect your kills? Is it kind of a time waster trying to wait for a tank? I mean, there was multiple times where I tried to get into a tank. Someone got it before me. I was constantly getting killed. I was probably better off just trying to actually get kills with the gun than trying to get the kills with the tank. Good strat, bad strat. Will it get patched? Should it even be in the game? Probably not. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay healthy. Peace.